everyone, welcome back to the channel, and on this video I'm going to show you a tool that is nice to have when it comes to modifying an RC or doing just simple repairs on any vehicle, right? Any model that you want to modify or repair, I mean. So like for example, on this truck, right? This is a truck, this is not an RC. It would be really nice if this was an RC. Okay, but it's not. So what happened is that this exhaust pipe right here, let me see if I can get a close-up right here. This one broke off, and to give you an idea of how it looks like the original piece, this is the original piece, and the original piece goes inside this hole. Okay, let me see if I can put it right there. Okay, and right there. Okay, this is how it goes. All right, so this piece is removable, the original piece, right? Okay, so this one is the one that broke off. So I was thinking either to use crazy glue. That's the most common thing to do, right? When something breaks off in any RC or any model, you know, we use crazy glue, right? Because it's easier, right? And it works pretty good. The only problem with crazy glue is that if you have to leave it alone, pretty much don't touch it, right? Because if you touch it, it breaks off again because it's not flexible and it's not that strong. It's strong for certain things, but like when it comes to models or an RC, then it happens to break off because it's not that strong when you put pressure into that piece, right? So what I did is I grabbed the hand drill. This is what it is, hand drill, and I made a hole. Okay, let me get a better zoom. Okay, and I'm gonna remove the piece so you can see, and I'm gonna put it here so the phone can pick it up so it's not so blurry. So at the end of the piece, let me turn it around right there. Okay, so at the end of the piece, that's where I drill a hole. Okay, drill a hole there with the hand drill, this one, and I did the same thing here right there. Okay, hopefully the camera can pick it up right there. It's kind of hard for the camera to focus, but there's a hole right there too. So I did I drilled a hole there and also here on this piece, and what I stuck inside, it's a regular paper clip right here, just a regular paper clip. So it's really nice to have these things right in your toolbox, because when it comes to repairs, sometimes you just need a piece of wire, right? And for example, in this case, just a simple paper clip, I cut a piece and I stuck inside this hole. That way it can go inside the tube right there, okay? Because the original one is removable. So I wanted the same thing. I wanted something strong and at the same time to be able to remove it. So that's what this tool comes in handy, right? When it comes to making those tiny repairs, right? Or modifications, okay? So here's, I'm gonna try to put it inside the hole so you can see, okay? And right there, okay? Just adjust it right there. Okay, and there you go, see? Very nice, okay? And not only does it work really good, it looks this, you know, like if nothing ever happened, right? Like if never broke off, and it can also is removable. So that's the cool thing about it. So right now it's very strong. Okay, it's not gonna go nowhere, and it is a little bit loose. But to fix that, right? So it's not that loose. That's where this comes in handy. Okay, let me get this glue, this micro crystal clear. Okay, so this is the glue that I use, okay, because when it dries clear. All right, let me zoom in. Okay, so this is the glue, okay, micro crystal clear. Okay, it is a little bit blurry when I get it close to the phone. So that's the one that I'm going to pour it into the hole, right? Just a tiny bit. So that way, when I put it in, it's going to be snug. Okay, it's not going to be loose. But what's cool about this glue is that if I want to remove it, right, in the future, then I can still remove it, and it's not gonna break the piece. So it's gonna act like a cushion. It's going to hold it there. It's not gonna move, but at the same time, I am going to be able to remove it That's the cool thing about this, that is strong. It glues the piece, but at the same time, if you want to change your mind, is also removable. Okay, so it's not gonna damage the piece. So that's what's cool about this glue. And it also dries clear. Okay, so yeah, so that's something that I wanted to share. This hand drill, really nice, very handy to have. And here's the drill bits that comes with the when you buy those hand drills. Okay, right there. Okay, very tiny for those precise spots repairs that you want to do, right? Okay, just gotta be careful when you buy these sets. Grab them with the tweezers, because with the fingers it's very hard to grab them, because big fingers, and this is very tiny. So just be careful not to drop them, and also not to put too much pressure, because when you're using the hand drills, you're not supposed to put too much pressure, because they'll break, because they're not, they're tiny, right? Okay, so really nice tool to have. All right, so that's pretty much that's it for this video. And any comments that you have, any questions, please write them down in the comment section, and consider subscribing to my channel, support my channel. And if you like this video, please hit that like button. And thank you again for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.